guys, I'm about to board now. I'm going to Istanbul via Turkish Airlines. It's so annoying when you're going to run around and you have big suitcase and something like that. Just save me some energy and stress as well. So I'll see you in a bit and I'll take you with me. And I hope that you enjoy the video that I'm going to share with you with this trip. In the arrival area, there is an ATM machine placed on the right corner where you can take out some cash from your ATM, Visa or MasterCards works. And that's actually way better than going to the correct currency exchange. So this is now the outside of the airport. I'm heading to that Havabus to go to the city center. I'm quite hungry, so I ordered a room service. I'm having a spicy beef kebab, and afterwards I'm gonna just take a nap for maybe 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and then I'm going downstairs to the spa to try the Turkish hammam bath, and I can't wait for that. I haven't had the hammam bath before, So now I'm here in Turkey. It is a must in your to-do list. So I'll let you know how it goes. The guy actually explained it to me that you are not wearing anything because it's good for the blood circulation, but I doubted it that I can dare to be naked. I might wear some of my swimwear. So yeah, let's see. And then after the hammam bath, I'm going to the city center area and try some street food. So I'll take you with me. Okay, let's try this spicy kebab. The meat is so tender. It's subtle, but it doesn't taste pure beef. So I asked the staff and they told me it's a mix of lamb and beef. So I think that's the reason why I have a strong taste of the spicy kebab that they serve me. But I still enjoy the food and I eat them all. I'm hungry. I'm all set, ready for hammam bath. See. I went to the ground floor for my hammam bath and the staff handed me a cloth and also a locker for me to change and arrange my hammam. It's the lady who did my hammam and she explained it to me and I get so comfortable and I I'm gonna get ready. I'll be going to the town center and see what I can find. Heading to Grand Bazaar as well and try some street food.